Hello, welcome everybody, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to get 5,000 subs all for free. So let's strap on, put on our sunglasses and get started with how to do it. So my name is Sergey Kasimov and welcome to my channel. And first of all, since you're watching this, subscribe right now. Help me to get to 5,000 subs. I'm almost right there. And now I want to tell you how you can get 5,000 subs into your channel, because I did it myself. This is a secret that only real YouTubers know. So how many subs do I get a day? Right now I get about 10 to 20 subs a day. You can actually watch in my YouTube matrix and it tells you my viral statistics. It tells you how many subs I get every single day. So pretty much this is something you can do as well. If I can do it, you can do it too. But there is ways for you to go about and do it the right way. Because just getting subs is not easy. Everyone would have been able to get thousands of subs if it was that easy. It's not. So a lot of people, it takes them years, maybe 10 years or more, to get 100 subs. And you would say, wow, this is a lot of subs, but it takes such a long time for me to do this. Why is this the case that some people have, and it is so hard for them to get so many subs subbed to your channel? Let me explain exactly how it actually works. How do you get a lot of subs? There is a few things you have to do. One, create quality content. Best of breed quality content. The videos that you're creating, they have to be unique, they have to be different. They have to be not the same. So what's the point of making that 1,000 video? How to eat or have a great picnic. The 1 million video, how to change a tile. Those kind of videos are not going to go anywhere because they're not unique, they're not different. There is so much other competition out there. So the first step is to do your research. What is the topic you're going to be doing the video on? Then, once you do the research, you look up on YouTube other videos that create the same thing and see what is your competition doing. Going to the first page, taking a look at those videos and trying to beat the #1 video in the whole entire competition and create your own version of it. This is how you do it. You're trying to beat #1, the top. And even if your video is not as good as #1, it might be just as good as the top 5 videos, it's going to get ranked on YouTube, regardless of how many other videos out there on the same exact topic. That is the #1 step. #2, creating the quality content. Now, don't go for cheap. Don't get a cheap camera. Above all, don't go ahead and skim on the acting. Nobody wants to watch some B-level acting on YouTube. They want to see high quality information. They want to see something different. They want to get engaged with the video. And this is #3 right now. You got to get engaged in the video itself. You got to get the audience, you who's watching this, engaged in watching every single minute of the content and not just turning it off. That is essential to your success. #4, you got to come naturally across to the audience. And nothing worse than reading a script. There's people who create those videos, screencast, getting a piece of paper out, writing everything down and reading it word to word. Nothing is more boring than that. I mean, I sat through lectures. I went to college. And nothing more boring than a professor just reading through all his notes, and you're just like, oh, you know what I'm doing when he was doing that? I was sleeping. I was taking my sweet time to sleep. Then listen to one word he was saying and I still aced the class. Why? Because it's boring. So I want to show you a secret way to get a lot of more subs. It's called the Sub Booster on YouTube. And how do you do it? Well, very simple. First of all, you upload a video. It doesn't matter which video, but you have to do it and write down its code name, exactly the amount of subs that you want to actually get. For example, I want to get 5,000 subs, so I wrote down 5,000, and then you put down 5,000 that move. Now you can do this with any amount of subs. Right now I need 500 more subs to get to 5,000. So this is my way of actually doing this. If you have just 50 subs, you can do 100. Write down I want 100 subs, so you actually write down as 100 that movie. Now you can also do something else, which is when you're uploading, you can do 100, and then you're going to be doing XL that movie. So what you're really trying to do is to get the organic YouTube search engine to pick up on this, and they're like, what is this 100? And they're going to send extra traffic to you because of those weird numbers that you're going to be posting plus XL after it. And this is like super boost XL, or you can just try that normal boost, which is just the number itself. Now there's other ways for you to actually get this done as well. You have to mention this a few times during this whole thing. So one, mention this in the title, which is the exact number of subs you want to actually get, which is 5,000. Next, you're gonna write down something like this: boost my post now, and then put in the code 01009. Now you have to put exactly this code down, and make sure the emojis are pointing, because YouTube search engine reads actually emojis. It's actually that smart. So you're putting down the emojis and the arrow for the YouTube search engine to understand that. Of course, give it a few hearts, give it some like, give it some love. That's the way you're gonna get this to work. Now you're not done yet. We gotta go through this whole entire thing here. Make sure it's not made for kids, by the way. Now when you go all the way here and post down the actual keyword, boost me now, 5,000 subs now, and then you're going to be writing down just the keyword 5,000. Now this could be done for any other thing here, 100, 1,000, whatever the number you want to get to, you write it down. Eventually it will get to that number. So that's the way you actually go about and actually do it. Make sure you follow this exactly how I actually outlined this, and then do it step by step. And if you don't get this, watch this video once again and watch those steps once again as well, so you make sure you do it exactly correct. And don't forget the secret keyword, 5,000 XL. Now if 5,000 XL doesn't work, we have to do 5,000 XL in small letters, not caps. Next thing, number 5, the fifth thing that you have to do in order to get people to actually watch your stuff is to get them call to action, call to subscribe in the video. This is not obvious. And if you just create a video and you don't put how to subscribe to it, nobody's going to subscribe to your channel. So one way is in the text, in the description. Another one is right on the bottom in the comment, pinned comment. And lastly, right here in the video itself. You got to tell them multiple times who you are, what your channel is about, and that the call to action is for them to sub to your channel. If you don't do any of those things, they don't know. They don't know that they have to press the button where it says sub. They don't know that they have to press the button that says post notification. And because of that, they're not going to sub to your channel. Number 6 thing that you have to do is consistency, which means you have to consistently creating quality content in niches. Now I myself do it in a wide variety of different niches, but still there is consistency in my videos. I cover certain topics and I keep coming back to them all the time, meaning that I have reviews that keep coming on my channel. I keep on having certain make money videos that coming up as well, and all those topics are broken down in my channel. Now of course, being very niche might get me a lot more subs. At the same exact time, what happens if that whole business model comes down crashing tomorrow? There was the toy channels, the Lego channels, and they got totally crushed when YouTube went in and changed making everybody designating things for kids or not for kids, and that made a big difference in income. And some people with millions of followers had thousands of videos that got essentially almost entirely demonetized. So did the prank videos. People who did prank content had a huge student base, and what happened to them? They had to reinvent their content or go off YouTube and try to get people to come off YouTube to get them to get paid. So one of them was Petty Mail actually, and his videos were not getting there. He was not getting trending because no longer you could do violence and violent things on YouTube and get monetized for them. And he used guns, he used swearing and stuff like that. So he had to go and get external sponsorship for his videos initially. So those are the few things you have to do in order to get yourself and get you the subs you want. So thank you so much for getting all the way to the end of this video. Hopefully you totally understood that those keyboards and all those sub booster things don't really work because it was kind of a joke. But now this is an interesting experiment for you to definitely test it out. And of course, if you did get the message in this video that this was all a joke, make sure to repeat after me the following. Go ahead and copy and paste this secret code booster all the way at the bottom of the comment section, so I know you actually read it and understood this video. This part of it was definitely a joke inside of a joke.